am Charlene Villavito from BSN Mathematics 1A. In this video, we are going to cover the mean, median, and mode. So let's proceed to our topic. First, we are going to find our mean. To find our mean, we are going to order our data from least to greatest. To our example, it's already ordered from least to greatest. So we are going to move on to mean, which is the average. How we find the mean by adding all of the numbers within our data. So we are finding the sum of the numbers and we divide by the numbers of numbers. Within our data, the sum of our data here is 753, so we add 72 plus 73 plus 79 plus 84 plus 84 plus 84 plus 90 plus 90 plus 97. So the total of our sum is 753. So we divide our numbers of numbers in our data, so it is 9. So 72, 73, 79, 84, 84, 84, 90, and 90, and 97 is 9. So 753 divide 9 is equal to 83.666 or 83.67. So let's move on. So we add 72, 73, 79, 84, 84, 84, and 90, 90, and 97. 9 number of our data set. The middle number is going to our fifth one because we have the 4 of the left and 4 in the right. For example, the left side is 72, 73, 79, and 84. And the right side, 97, 90, 84. And next, and the middle of our numbers is 84. So 84, this is our median. Since we have odd number within our data set, we are going to have one number sitting in the middle. We have even numbers of our data set. We are going to have two numbers sitting in the middle. If that's the case, find the average between the two numbers, so add them up by 2. So let's proceed to our mode, which means we are going to look for the numbers first, the most in our data, so mode or most. I see within our data we have 2 90s and we have 384. It occurs the most. So 84 it is our mode because 84 is the most first.